Hi, my name is Iddo and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Invi. Invi is a rich media messaging app. We're a startup company located in the Silicon Valley. This is my 5th startup and I've learned a lot on the way. Once in a while I give a talk to a group of startup founders and CEOs sharing my story. We all face similar challenges, finding an idea worth working on, finding a market fit, building a team, raising money and bringing it to life. It feels great to see the impact on the entrepreneurs. The immediate change, the spark in the eyes, how a shift in mindset is created. I feel fortunate to have the opportunity to do it. Other CEOs helped me and I'm paying it forward.
Tip number 1 I want to talk about is being authentic. Whatever power you have, bring it out there and be playful. You don't work in the business, you work on the business. They invest in the people, they invest in you.
What I've learned with Iddo was a variety of things that I can start doing immediately, mostly about how to sell in a very simplistic manner and breaking down things such as your problem into a variety of different states so you can explain it to people who might react to it very differently.
It's not only the tools that you are getting, it's also the energy.
From a technology background, I always tend to speak a lot in terms of technology, which may not resonate with people. But from him, I got some insight about how to effectively communicate with people who are not necessarily interested in the details of your technology, but in the application of the technology.
I would recommend this talk for other entrepreneurs to come and learn how to pitch, how to get comfortable explaining what they do and what their company is about.
We are preparing for our pitch in front of investors next week on Friday, so it was great to go through all the steps that we have to go through for the presentation.
Thank you, Iddo.
Thank you.
Thank you.